And you may not feel old, but if you are over 50, it's time to start planning for your older years. And there is an elder law fair coming up this Thursday to help you. It is put on by the Volunteer Lawyers Project here. And Deborah O'Shea joins us right now from the group. So nice to see you.
Thank you so much.
50. People say, I'm not old at 50. Why start planning at that point?
Well, the Elder Law Fair, and really, we try to cover all age demographics, so even younger than 50. It's really important. The better you're prepared for each stage in life, the better the outcome you're going to have. So
now, a lot of people say, yeah, I know I have to be saving for retirement, and you start early. But are there other areas too?
Well, I mean, we're offering topics that work toward answering those type of questions, such as women's retirement reality. Am I going to have enough money when I retire? And how do each of those stages of life influence the outcome of that? We talk about basic estate planning. Other topics include, and we kind of cover the gamut of needs that would be an elder issue, such as children in the community being raised by their grandparents. There are quite a few legal issues that need to be untangled. We have Family Court Judge Hanusak and a family law attorney talking about guardianship, being able to put together custody and support situations for those grandparents. We also talk about end-of-life care. You know, Alzheimer's has made a tremendous impact. How do you prepare for palliative care? How do you prepare for hospice? Medicaid comes into play. You know, what's that spend down if a family member has to go into a long care facility. And
you really can't say, okay, I'm starting today to plan that. I mean, that's several years in advance
absolutely, plan. Absolutely. Sure. There are people out there that have children with disabilities and special needs. You know, you really, when these children are born, have to look far out. Not only protecting them, but protecting, yourself and your care for that child.
And even if it's just you and your spouse or just you, where are you going to live? I mean, that's a big one. Can you stay in your house, and what kinds of services are available?
And we have we'll have attorneys that are also going to talk about to help you to stay in your home longer. What can you do to protect yourself and have that happen? So this event will offer 24 different topics. They're an hour long, so they're very comprehensive. And if you feel that there's a particular legal issue that isn't being answered, we'll have a Talk to a Lawyer program.
Oh, very nice.
So that, if you need a little bit more additional help, we can then take you into a direction that's going to, help facilitate that.
And who are you, the volunteer group that is putting it together?
Well, we're a collaboration of agencies that really care about the Office of Aging. We have AARP. We have our attorney base that deals with wills and estates, and we also have, it's a very comprehensive group of agencies. The Alzheimer's Agency. We get together once a year to be able to find out what prevalent issues are happening and who are the best people in the community to be able to talk about that.
Well, thank you so much for coming in with the preview. The resources are there for you, so certainly take advantage. Again, this is coming up this coming week on Thursday.
And I want to impress, this year we're at OCC, and we've put together a shuttle situation.
Oh, good.
So because parking was an issue last year, so if folks want to park in the SRC area, we'll be able to have a shuttle take you right to the very front door of the academic building too.
Okay, and it gets underway Thursday morning. It runs till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. They'll give you breakfast, by the way. It is free, with free breakfast. Do you have to stay the whole time?
You don't, but what happens is, each of the sessions are an hour. You get to choose from 3 of them, and again, they are just amazingly comprehensive, and you really don't want to miss something that would be important to your family, and I think we've covered really quite a few comprehensive bases.
Well, thank you for the homework. We look forward to the sessions.
We look forward to having as many people come as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.